Hello there. You've probably imagined losing weight quickly, healthily, and without sacrificing yourself with extreme diets or exhausting exercise routines. With Puravive, this is not only possible, but also within your reach. This innovative supplement was specially developed to help people like you achieve their weight loss goals effectively, using scientifically proven benefits. If you're tired of empty promises and want real results, keep listening, because the transformation you're looking for could be right here. What makes Puravive so effective is its unique ability to activate brown adipose tissue, also known as brown fat. Unlike white fat, which stores energy and contributes to weight gain, brown fat acts as a true calorie-burning machine. It uses accumulated fat deposits in the body to generate heat, boosting metabolism and promoting a much more efficient fat-burning process. This activation is made possible by Puravive's exclusive formula, which combines highly effective natural ingredients, like green tea extract, turmeric, and capsaicin. These compounds have thermogenic properties, meaning they increase body temperature and encourage brown adipose tissue to work optimally. Additionally, the supplement is rich in antioxidants that help detoxify the body, promoting a sense of well-being and increased energy from the very first days of use. Now, imagine waking up every day feeling lighter, full of energy, and finally seeing the numbers on the scale go down. This is the dream of so many people struggling to lose weight, and Puravive can make it happen for you. It not only aids in weight loss, but also improves mood, reduces stress, and gives you more energy to tackle daily challenges. It's like having a powerful, natural ally by your side, working in harmony with your body to deliver the results you've always wanted. Check out what Amanda have to say about her experience with Puravive.
My name is Amanda, and for years I struggled with my weight. I was always tired, with no energy, and it affected not only my health, but also my emotional well-being. I even fell into a state of depression because nothing seemed to work for me. Even after trying countless diets and exercises, I felt trapped in an endless cycle. Then I discovered Puravive through a video like this one on the internet, and everything changed. Within just a few weeks, I started noticing incredible results. My body felt lighter, the energy I thought I had lost forever returned, and I finally saw the scale move in the right direction. Knowing that it activates brown adipose tissue and speeds up fat burning gave me even more confidence because I felt like I was taking care of my body naturally. Today I'm a new person. I have energy for everything, my self-esteem has returned, and I finally feel happy again. If you're going through what I went through, I wholeheartedly recommend Puravive.
So how do you feel about Amanda's experience? Great, isn't it? And the best part? You can start your transformation today. Simply click the link in this video's description to secure your Puravive with exclusive offers. But don't wait. Stock is limited, and the chance to change your life might not be available forever. So don't put off until tomorrow what you can start today. The future you've been dreaming of is within your reach, and Puravive is here to help you achieve your goals. Make the right choice now and take the first step toward a healthier, happier life.